Hey guys, I bought this fan off of Amazon. It's the Bionaire reversible flow fan, so it goes blows air in, out, and it will also do a mix where it blows in and some out. One really obnoxious thing about this fan, there's some loud electronic noise whenever you change the setting on here, and you'll notice there's actually no beeping noise. And one of the most annoying things about this fan is a constant beeping noise every single time you click any setting on here. And you can imagine if you're sleeping at night, it could be highly annoying. So I will show you guys how to actually remove the beeping noise. And remember, I'm not condoning this video. I'm not mentioning you should do this. It probably most likely avoids the warranty. But I spent money on this. I was way too lazy to actually return it and try and shop around for a few other models. So it does everything I wanted, but it makes an obnoxious beeping noise. So let's dig in and figure out how can we actually shut this thing up. So obviously the first thing you want to do here is unplug it. I don't recommend working on this thing while it's on, so let's unplug this guy real quick. Okay, with their power disabled on this guy, I'd like to flip it around and notice we have a bunch of little different screw holes here. So these are all little Phillips screw holes. So anywhere there's like a circular little spot here, you're going to want to remove all these screws. Also to note is these tabs right here, so this piece that pulls in and out, these tabs also need to be removed. So these are like locking tabs to lock this piece in place. The best thing to do is to actually slide this piece all the way out. And you'll notice on these clips here, these clips have like these little hooks on them. So make sure with these clips that you get this lip pushed out. So best thing to do is push it in and then pull it out. So moving on, let's remove this piece. So this whole top fan piece comes off. And with the whole top fan piece off, you'll notice we have our fans and our electronics under here. I'm guessing our most important piece we want to remove is under here. So let's lift this piece up. It completely lifts off. And this is what we have so far. Let's zoom in here. Okay, let's get a better look at this. So we have this green circuit board. It's flipped upside down. I'm guessing our speaker's on the back of that, because looking at this other circuitry, it looks like we just have capacitors and power control modules or something of the sort. So let's work our way and remove this green circuit board. We're going to have to remove all these bolts to get to the circuit board. You'll also notice it's mandatory to take off the top circuit board, as we have two screws that are buried underneath. So make sure we remove the top and then remove the bottom circuit board. It will also help to disconnect the ribbon cable, as this makes removal of the circuit board no problem. Okay, so this whole entire circuit board now is loose. Let's take it out. If we rotate this over, I've already modified this. Speaker tab used to be in the slot right here. It's a little round black thing. And you'll notice this is on the circuit board. This is the piece that kind of controls our display. If you flip it over and upside down, there's a bunch of different little pins on here that have been soldered into this device. And what we want to do is we want to heat up these two soldering pins over here and actually pull the speaker through the other side. And once we pull the speaker through the other side, in theory, our speaker is gone, and this should not make noise anymore. Hey guys, and to jump in here also, sorry I don't have the actual video of how I remove that. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I had already removed the speaker, but the easiest way is just to take a soldering iron and actually touch the two tips of the reverse side of the connections that are coming through and melt the solder and just pull the speaker right on through. So it might be a little tricky at first, but that's the best way I'd recommend about removing it. I do not recommend just ripping it off. You might actually break the circuit board. So this is just a quick video of putting the actual piece back together. So remember to put the back casing on, put your screws in, And remember, don't over tighten anything here. This is plastic, you might blow it up. And remember, put your 2 clips on the side and put your adjustable gate on the back side. Let's flip this guy back over and plug it in. See if it works. Okay, with our fan turned back on, you'll notice our display lights up. If we are to hit speed here, you'll notice our fan turns on. We don't have any audible noises when moving through different modes here. So this is how this product probably should have came from the factory. And again, I don't endorse doing this upgrade. I'm sure it voids your warranty. I'm sure Bionaire would not like this approach since you're actually modifying the internals. But hey, I wanted this thing dead silent. And this is the only way we can have this in the window without waking up your significant other or our dog. Hey guys, drop a comment below if this is a terrible idea. Just a heads up, I've had this running for 2 months and no issues. Thanks for watching.